cute. It's disgusting.
I love arts and crafts.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up inside. Break me bit by blood to run. Nope. Can't wake up. Wake me up. No.
Everyone, you are watching To Europe 2. My name is Randy Colt and this is 21 Pilots. So hi guys, and how you doing?
Hello, we're doing good.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
How could this happen to me?
Hey, Patrick, are you angry too?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
I can't see my forehead.
Make it. I don't want to make it. I just want
Cheese whiz.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at my. I just wanna say it now, I ain't trying to round up drama, little mama, I don't wanna take it. And I know I'm coming off just a little bit conceited, and I keep on repeating how the boys wanna eat it, but I'm trying to tell that I can't. She gotta put your neck into. We gon'
What a shame the poor groom's bride is on.
Put that on Patrick.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of?
Here he is. Oh my god. They found me. I don't know how, but they found me.
Who? Holy shit!
It's Hot Topic. Run for it, Ryan!
Don't let your eye get streaky, come on. Stop.
I can't help it.
Stare at one point.
Deal with it.
Stare
I'm so wrapped up that nothing can untie me. Nothing matters but you. Most folks need a. I can't hear my guitar at all.
Why would you do that to me then?
I totally just fucked you up. I'm so sorry. Can I get some? Is the guitar in the monitor?
You're a fucking Warner guy. That was my solo.
What am I addicted to? Anyone who is even slightly familiar with what I do knows that the answer is Dr. Pepper.
There's nothing I can do. Thank you. Oh, we've officially lost it, bro.
Lovely day at the Holy Emo Church. Let us sit down and enjoy Pastor Way's sermon.
Okay, everybody sit down and shut the fuck up.
We are gathered here today to worship our emo Lord and Savior. Me.
Not so fast. Just then Pete Wentz swaggers in with a look of disgust on his face.
Listen here, you little shit. I am the true emo Lord.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking shitstick. I am the most emo one here. I invented emo.
Bitch, no you didn't.
Then Ryan Ross creeps out of the shadows.
Hey guys, let us all take a step back and realize that we are all emo. Pete, without your emo-ness, I would never be in a popular band. And Gerard, I love to dance to MCR every day.
Shut the fuck up, Ryan. You're not even emo anymore.
Yeah, get out of here, you cheese whiz loving fuck.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody, calm down. Oh, jeez. Okay, settle down, everyone. No, I forgot my purse.
Leave it, woman!
Get out of the way. Okay.